Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. So we are from group 3 and our townhouse name is Tulips Townhouse and also known as 2T. So our leader for this project is Muhammad Rafifi bin Hamizi. Members is Ain Arina binti Abdul Majid, Azlinda binti Wando Selamat, Muhammad Zaini bin Abdul Razak, Nur Atika Aisyah binti Zakaria and Mbak Gabali anak perempuan Saranggapani. So we go through to introduction. 2T is a short name that derived from Tulips Townhouse. In relation to the matter, Tulips is just the right name for this project townhouse, as the meaning itself are actually perfect and everlasting love amongst family members or life partners. So, for red tulips are known the most strongly associated with pure love or true love. Family is different relationship than any other because they are similar to each other members. Okay, so for the design concept for this project is tulips shapes, almost perfect symmetrical flower that express the coziness and comfort in any form. So it is really suitable or matching with this townhouse that creating a space, function and activities for each level different to each other. For example, the ground floor is for public space, the first floor is focus for this level is the change to semi area, and the second floor is the level can be accessed for level privacy is really important, and that's why the closed room being created in this level to give calmness emotion to the user. Okay, so IBS component and installation for this building is beam. We are using precast concrete beam, column, precast concrete column, staircase, precast concrete stairs, wall, precast concrete panel, floor slab, hollow core slab, openings, precast concrete door and window, toilet box or pot construction system, roof structure, prefabricated timber roof trusses. So next is architecture drawing, structural drawing. So from this you can see from here footing layout plan. We are arrange all the columns, all the footing based on the plan itself. So go through to the ground floor plan. We are attaching ground floor layout plan also. You can see all the columns that are placed in the ground floor layout plan. So for ground floor plan, we are having the space of entrance to go inside the buildings, garage, studio, and having bathroom and laundry. So we go through the first floor plan. We are attaching first layout plan. You can see the structure part. First, for the space, first floor plan is living room, dining, kitchen, and we are also providing extra space which is balcony. So for second floor plan, also attaching second floor layout plan, and the space is we are having 3 bedroom, which is one is master bedroom with master bathroom, 2 bedroom attaching with 1 bathroom. Alright. So next is roof layout plan. So from here you can see the view of the plan itself. So we go through to the elevation part. So from front elevation, right elevation, all the materials they are using, we are using all the method, all the material which is related to the concept itself. So the shape of the elevation is related to the tulips shape itself. So so next is the rear elevation and left elevation, all the materials part we already mentioned in our board presentation, which is we are using suitable material that bringing a very aesthetic value for these buildings. So next is door and window schedule. From here we are attaching the sizes of the doors and windows for this townhouse. So next is the percentage of IBS scoring. So basically for IBS score, we are is a combination with structural system, which is 50%, plus wall system 20%, and other simplified system 30%, and we can get 100%. So basically this is the count for this IBS core. So we go through to the calculation principle. What is meaning by structural system? Structural system is a substructure whose elements are not taken into account in the calculation. Examples: piling, ground beam, ground slab, underground car park, and any example of that. So and then the construction area includes car porch, but excluding driveway, apron, and landscape areas. So next is calculation principles for wall system. Points are awarded based on the wall system used. Allocation based on the percentage of the length of the wall system used. Toilet cubicle partition walls are excluded from the calculation. It has different calculation. Parapet and corridor must be counted in the calculation. Alright, next is calculation principle. What is other simplified system? Other simplified system is points are awarded based on the utilization of construction methods or solutions that can contribute to the objective of IBS. Use of standardized components MS1064, which is beams, columns, walls, slab, windows, door. Repeating features, which is from vertical repetitions and horizontal repetition. Alright. For construction area, total size of floor level is 370.68 meters square. Length of wall external part is 125.67 meter. For internal wall is 64.08 meter. So structural system, we are having column, beams, floor slab, roof trusses, and that is for ground floor, first floor, and second floor. And next is wall system. From here, the component is internal wall, which is precast concrete panel, in situ concrete with permanent formwork. And external wall, the system is precast concrete panel, full height glass panel, blockwork system. Okay, next is other simplified construction solution. So the elements for the standardized component based on MS1064 is beams, columns, walls, slab, doors, windows. Alright. Repetition of structure layout. Repetition of floor to wall floor height is 100%. Other productivity enhancing solution is usage of prefab bathroom unit is 67%. Usage of prefab staircase is 100%. So our calculation is for part 1 structural system. The maximum score for this one is 50%, like just now what I told is the total part is 370 and 68 meters square. Coverage is 1. IBS score is 42.68. Basically this is how we are counting for IBS score lah. So part 2 wall system, maximum score is 20%. Total part is 189.75 meter. The coverage is 1. IBS score is 17.70. So part 3 other simplified construction solution, maximum score is 30%. IBS score for the part 3 is 27.00. So combination for that, for our building IBS score for part 1 plus part 2 plus part 3 is 87.0330. So this is IBS score table. From here you can see all the statement here, all the elements, all the requirement here, materials part. So roof system, and this is wall system part, and with their IBS factor. So this one is the description of utilization of standardized components, repetition of structural layout, other productivity enhancing solution. Okay, that's all for that. So we are going to task of group works. For this one, leaders of task part 1. For poster A is Muhammad Rizaini bin Abdul Razak and Ain Arina bin Abdul Majid. Poster B, installation of IBS, Muhammad Rafifi bin Hamizi and Samba Gavali and Abu Pasar Rangkapani. Part 2, 2A presentation part is Noratika Aisyah binti Zakaria. 2B slideshow audio recorded is Samba Gavali and Perempuan Sarangapani, Ain Arina and Azlinda. For 2C, 3D video is Muhammad Rizaini and Nur Fifi. 2D uploaded youtube.com is Muhammad Rizaini. Part 3 report is Azlinda, and peer assessment is all members is included for this. So basically all members involved for all the parts of work. Okay, this is our task division. So you can see here Muhammad Rafifi, Ainarina, Azlinda, Muhammad Rizaini, Nuratika Aisyah, and Samad Ghafali. Alright, so that's all from us. So we are attaching all the requirements, all the details more in the other requirements. Alright, thank you for listening to the video, and thank you. Bye. Assalamualaikum.